Frank Niggemeyer, Head of Distribution in Frankfurt for Generali Investments. Frank, we are seeing a move in the banking networks away from the idea of the month, the fund of a month, to an institutional core satellite approach. How can Generali's expertise in equities and fixed income fit into such a system?
Yes, first of all, two words to Generali Investments. So we saw ourselves as a multi-asset management house with a strong focus on the European area. Second, we come from the insurance side, and it's historical. We are in the core business. In the core business, we say, okay, how can we generate some added value? So the first USP is we have a complete network in European. The second is our tactical allocation process that moves into added value. And this process, we are working that for 7 years, and we transformed it to mutual funds in absolute return concepts. So since 5 years, we can give a potential investor an added value through our absolute return concepts.
And once we're moving into the satellite areas of a wealth management portfolio, should these include themes such as infrastructure investment, or should these be longer term strategies such as emerging markets or BRIC economies?
Yes, of course. In every perfect asset allocation, the key trigger is what's the best diversification. So, for instance, we are working, a lot of asset managers are working with two asset classes, the equity and the bond area. But if you want to have an added value, you had to integrate also alternative asset classes. For instance, in the moment, private equity and infrastructure is moving because there's a lot of potential for investors in the coming years. But anyway, also BRIC and emerging markets are locations and punctual allocation processes which needed to be in an optimal portfolio.
Thank you very much, Frank.